Hey everyone, welcome back to our crypto tutorial series. Today, we're tackling something super useful: how to send BUSD from your Phantom wallet to Binance in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and a verified Binance account ready to go. BUSD is a stablecoin, so transferring it properly is key to avoiding any hiccups. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Phantom wallet and ensure you're connected to the correct blockchain network. BUSD is often on the Binance Smart Chain or Ethereum, so double-check that in your wallet settings to match what Binance supports. If you're not sure, head to Binance's website and look up the supported networks for BUSD deposits. Next, in Step 2, navigate to your assets in Phantom Wallet. Find your BUSD balance and note the amount you want to transfer. Remember, crypto transactions involve fees, so subtract those from your total to avoid surprises. Step 3. Log into your Binance account and go to the Wallet section. Select Deposit for BUSD, choose the right network, and copy the deposit address provided. This is crucial. Paste it carefully to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Now, for Step 4. Back in Phantom Wallet, select BUSD, hit Send, and paste the Binance deposit address. Enter the amount, review the details, and confirm the transaction. You'll need to approve it with your wallet's security features, like a password or biometric scan. Finally, in Step 5, wait for the transaction to process. This could take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, check your Binance wallet to verify the BUSD has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. A quick tip: always use hardware wallets for larger amounts and double-check addresses to stay safe from scams. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.